The IB programs emphasizes on experiential learning and real-world engagement. We at IBS have the outdoor education program to focus on this aspect. The outdoor trips that we organize for the students have personal experiences to extend the learning that happens in the classroom. In the primary years programs, grades 1, 2 and 3 visited a farm to understand how our food reaches from the farm to the table. In this outdoor education trip, children had experiences such as taking care of birds and animals, planting seeds, building compost, and this was in connection to our units on how we organize ourselves and how the world works. The outdoor education trips is not only a means of experiential learning, but also a tool for personal and social growth, environmental awareness, and a great opportunity for students to demonstrate and practice their IB learner profile.